Amazing, welcome. So this call will be recorded, and I'm gonna read the disclaimer so everybody knows what is the legal base of everything. So Dimension 7 Technologies Limited is an informational and educational service only, and we are not responsible for any investments made applying this information or for providing buying or selling recommendations. We make no recommendations to purchase or sell any kind of coin, token, options, or security. The results described are not typical and are not guarantees of future income. Any investment contains risk and is 100% the responsibility of the investor to access the risk and rewards involved. Trading the crypto market involves a high degree of risk, and you may incur financial losses if you engage in this activity. It is possible to lose some or all of your investments. We at Dimension 7 Technologies Limited accept no liability assumed or implied for your application of the information shared within our programs. So far, the legal base of everything, but we are here together today to make an introduction and a little live demo of our beautiful trading indicator. This is not replacing any responsibility you guys have for your own money. In crypto in general, everything is about self-responsibility. This is not replacing it. But what is amazing about our indicator is it's helping you guys to enter the market. And if you are already in trading, if you already have experience in trading, it's a good place to start if you are totally new in trading. But also working for you guys if you have experience already. Because our indicator and our bot is including an amazing risk management, which works like a charm. And everything, we thought about everything for you guys. So this enables hands-free trading. And we always say, like, you should be ready to manage your own trades and your indicator and your bot at least 15 minutes a day, twice a day, in the morning, in the evening. This is the minimum attention you should spend on your own investments anyway. Today, we're going to showcase you guys a little bit what is possible with Viva trading bot and how I want to show you guys how everything works, because I mean, there are always a lot of questions coming up. So basically, how is everything working? Yeah, how does it look like? For people who never touched a trading bot, this sounds maybe too complicated, but it is not. I can promise you, and I can tell you guys that we already onboarded people who have no experience in trading at all, maybe invested in crypto before, but not traded at all. And also people who not even invested in crypto before. So this is this is really a beautiful tool to have like little hurdle into the market of crypto trading. And as you guys know, the news are everywhere. Big stuff is ahead in crypto market. And of course, it's always hard to take a decision on a specific investment. We have the perfect risk management for you guys to diversify and to really enter the market in a professional way. So I would say I'm going to start with you guys, show you a little bit around. If you have questions, please keep them, write them down. We're going to take care of that later on, and I'll try to answer everything which comes up to your mind. First of all, we are seeing here the website of Dimension 7. And the best thing right at the beginning, maybe you heard of big ETF investment players are entering the market. So maybe you think like, oh no, I should invest now a lot of money into Bitcoin because it's going to the roof. Yeah, there's always better ways to invest than just everything on like in one moment. So if you want to have the perfect Bitcoin or any other coin accumulator, this is piggy bank. You get it for free just to buy Bitcoins in the right moment or any other asset you are choosing. Really, really nice indicator you can play around with, and it's for free. You can just enter our website and you're going to find it. But today we are talking about Viva, which you can find basically here in our shop. And here are our featured products. And as you can see, Viva is available down here. A lot of more stuff is coming. You can choose Viva from $149 a month. And you can even book it on a monthly base, and you can upgrade to VIP with a one-time subscription. As you can see, also you gonna have Viva if you buy the yearly subscription, which costs you 1,788 USD. You're gonna have VIP service included as well. What VIP means, I'm gonna show you a little bit later, but you have more or less all research done. You have a lot of investment ideas, a lot of setup ideas, which you can just start, and you can start from scratch. Going to be really successful, going to see results very soon. So this is where you start. So if you buy it, just put it to the cart, check out with the subscription of your choice. And if you choose it, we're gonna provide you with the script on TradingView. TradingView is a tool which looks in the first moment quite confusing. But believe me, there are just a few areas which you need to master. And we even show you and help you to set everything up. You're gonna find out really fast which areas are important and how to navigate on this website. In the first moment, a price chart can look pretty confusing, but this is the best thing about Viva. You can basically start learning about trading in a running system and working system. So you can imagine in this concept and in our trading bot is so much experience already included. You can't imagine how much mistakes the people already did in their life who set up this before. So you don't need to do these mistakes. We did them for you. This is what we can, where we can save you money already. If you join the market, if you want to join the business of trading, we're going to save you guys money already because you are using a working system and you can learn step by step. And as you can see here in indicators, we're going to provide you here in indicators with our Viva indicator and trading bot. And I already loaded this to the chart here, as you can see. So all the lines you see here, like green, white, yellow, these are lines from which are provided by our indicator Viva. Also, the statistic table here on the left is showing really interesting data. And this all is for you guys to orientate, because how should you know which asset to choose? How should you know which time frame to choose? This is everything we're gonna help you with our indicator as well. So for example, here I uploaded the indicator, and the indicator is basically reading the charts. So if you see here the movements of the coin, these are price movements, and the indicator is reading it. And of course, taking decisions when to buy and when to sell. As you can see here, for example, here it's buying, here it's selling. So now you maybe ask yourself, how is it taking this decision? This is something we put in before. So we backtested the coin on a specific time frame, and we are giving these parameters to the indicator and to the bot, and it's taking the decision without us pushing any button. So this is hands-free trading already. Yeah, as you can see here, the indicator is reading the chart, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. And as you can imagine, some of these are even taken during the night. Yeah, if you see this here, this trade started at 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the morning, and ended somewhere at 9 o'clock. So typically the time where I am still sleeping. And this is the beauty about our product. It's trading for you 24/7, and it's saving you time and energy, and you can do other stuff while you're doing it. So, but I want to show you today, not just a chart and how it looks on a chart. I want you to show, I'm gonna come back to your question later. I want to show you guys as well how the communication works. So you can imagine all these movements here are communicated to another platform, which is needed. Yeah, and this platform is quite good. It's called 3 Comma, and it's good because it's giving really, really good overview about your trades. So you can imagine I run many different coins. These are scanned, these are prepared, and I put them together on my personal risk choice. Yeah, so this is depends on your experience, and your first decisions. And we help you, of course, of that. We provide you also like certain amount of different setups, so you can start right from the beginning and you will have great experience right from the beginning. These bunch of coins are every coin has its own chart. So when is something happening here on the chart? We're gonna take this chart now as kind of example. These blue arrows here mean there was just trade open at this time. So what is happening? There's an alert triggered, and this alert is triggered and sent to another platform, which is 3 comma. And as you can see here, we looked at the chart of Tomo, which is this coin here. Now this coin is running. And I'm going to look with you guys in another setup as well later on, where we have a few more buy steps. For example, this one here. And now this is managed. So what is 3 comma doing for you? 3 comma is placing the trades. So it's translating the orders from TradingView, from the chart platform, to the exchange of your choice, which means we have several exchanges which you can connect to our fully automated trading bot. This is working like a charm. So I'm going to look with you guys now in another live trade, which is started here on the 15th of October, so 10 days ago. And this is REQ. We're going to open the chart, REQ. You guys now going to see like one of the live trades running a few days longer, which is totally normal and actually what we want. Because if the trade is running a few days, the chance that we are having more buy steps and heavy loaded trades, which then run out in profits, is higher. So this is actually what we want. If you see now here, we are a little bit in a loss, which is totally normal and which is also something we want. So there's one important rule. You need to get used to be 90% in red, but this is part of the system. And I'm going to show you a little bit later on why this is part of the system. As you can see here, Viva started buying here and took another position here in this up movement. Yeah, when we had this little pump here, it took another position because there was a chance that this is a breakout and is going to break this resistance line here, our trend line. But it was rejected and it went lower. But no problem, we are prepared. So it took another position, and what is happening is it's decreasing the average order by order of your position. As you can see, the white line is getting lower and lower, which is always the average order price of your position. So, and then there was another try to break the resistance line. Again, rejected, but it's nothing which is bad. As we can see here, we are close to reach our average order price line, and then we're going to sell at a later position. As you can see here in previous trades, it's always selling only in profits, which we make sure in our settings. Yeah, this is like a setting around 1.2% minimum profit. So it's never selling below this little gray line, which is 1.2% of minimum profit. So this is just one example how Viva behaves when the market is dropping a little bit more. For you guys, just to have a little example here. And as you can see, we are running on different time frames. Here, this is my Tomo setup on 15 minutes. I know Becky would not like that, but it's shooting like a machine gun. And I'm having already like 0.2% profit per day. And it's producing really, really nice profits in, out, as we like it. So, and now I also have some nice results for you guys. So to see how this works and that it is working really, really in a good way, I'm gonna check with you guys my trade history. Yeah. So we're gonna now see the trade history of my personal Viva account. It's not about amounts, it's about profit. It's about percentage. Yeah. And as you can see, it's more about green. Even the color green we like a lot. As you can see, these here are like the last 50 results of my personal Viva account, and it's all in green. So, and just that you know, this was even green already when there was no bull market or some rumors about ETFs coming in. And also I get the permission to show you some, yeah, some results from people who I onboarded at Viva. You see here, this is like one of the smaller accounts we have. This person started with $3,000, then ramped up a little bit more. And these are only the last from the 15th of August. So around 2 months now. And this person gained $798 in on an account around $6,000 in these few days only. But we have also something else here. This person here gained, it's a little bit bigger account, and we have amazing results here from the 16th of September to the 16th of October, even a few days missing now, which were really, really good. So this account is a little bit higher, as you can see here, but it's not about numbers. Also, this is not the whole invested account, amount. There are some other positions. This person traded around 30K and gained around 8 to 9%. And this was before any rumors about ETFs coming up and so on. So these are real numbers from real people. And this is important to us. We want to share a great opportunity here. And this is the opportunity to enter the market in a professional way with perfect risk management as well. And as this risk management is critical to your success, we really, really, really took care when we developed our product to make sure you guys have the option and have the opportunity to have this perfect risk management. And I can just say from my experience, it's critical. Yeah. And we take out human emotion, we take out panic, we take out FOMO. Yeah, Viva is just executing everything we are scanning on really rational data from the past and then reflect to the future. And we are reaching amazing results so far. What I would like to show you guys as well is, or explain you guys as well, is the risk management. We always have the analogy of a carousel, which means these trades here, all of them, are taking a place on a carousel. And you can imagine everyone has a carousel with 10 seats, and every coin is a kid which wants to jump on the carousel. And you have around the carousel, you have more people waiting, kids waiting for having a ride on the carousel. But there are always just 10 seats. And always when one kid is jumping off the carousel, and which means in our analogy, made profit, the coin realized profit, then there's a free space. And the next coin, which is ready, which is opening a trade on a chart, is allowed to jump on. And this makes sure you are never overinvested. You always are diversifying your initial capital into as many assets as you choose. And so this is like a really, really professional risk management, and it saves you in case market is taking a dump or anything else. Some news are coming up. There's a dump. We are prepared. And this is the beautiful thing about Viva. And so this is also the reason why I see this as a huge opportunity, even for people who are not experienced in the market, to now participate and change the way you guys are investing. This is maybe changing the way people are investing since 50 years. This is enabling, I will say so, normal people to have profits which are normally exclusive for people with way, way, way more money. This is basically a little overview about how this Viva works, how the communication is. So now, if you want to, we can switch over to your questions. I'm gonna check the messages which came in already. Grateful, thankful for having this opportunity. And we are just starting, guys. This is a huge chance. I am really honest with you guys. To be now in the market in a safe way, this is a game changer.
So what I'd ask you to do is come on my Q&A sessions on a Saturday, and I discuss all this, because we're all about protecting our clients, aren't we? All of us, all about protecting the clients and protecting everybody to make sure you start the bot in the right way. to enable you to make the better profits. Why would you start it at the top of a cycle? Absolutely not. We might have great back-tested results off a bot or of an asset, but you do not want to be starting an asset when it's done a massive rally. So I do discuss that on my Q&A session. So I do implore you all, like, you know, Chan has done the same thing. He understands where to stop and start his bots, and that's why he's made awesome profits. So please get on the calls and have a discussion with me.
Exactly. So this was now more or less yeah, a little live demo how Viva works. So you can see the communication, you can see the communication flow, you see the tools which you need to set up. So, and even though some of them look maybe a little bit creepy, like TradingView in the beginning, believe us, we're going to take you by your hand and lead you through it. So we support everyone because we want you guys to take part in the next amazing, yeah, 12 months, I guess, and have really participate from that great, really great trading bot. And I'm grateful as well and can't wait, really excited what is coming now. Guys, jump on the train. I'm sure we all can learn from Becky a lot, and this is a great opportunity as well. For now, this is going to be, I have recorded the call. I'm going to put it to the to our chit chat. So everybody can have a little understanding of how Viva works, and even people who are already a little bit more experienced and have experience with trading will have a little explanation about the strategy, which is amazing. Okay, guys,
Thank you,
great
Jan.
evening. Thanks for joining.
Thank you, everybody, as well, for joining the call tonight. Jan, love you so much. Thank you so much, sweetie, for the call tonight.
Bye-bye.
Love for now.